Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Reader Room Show, and I got another great article from Jay Allen. I've shown you several of his reviews in the past. He's given me permission to kind of do a little overview of one of his articles, and this one is about the brand new Sangean ATS-909X2. It's AM, long wave, FM, shortwave, and airband. So he goes over the specifications. So he gives you a breakdown of all the specifications, which there are a lot. And I'm not going to go over everything. I want you to go to his website and check this out yourself. I'll put a link in the first comment below this video to this particular article. His initial observations is the basic functions he found on the new model are ergonomically a bit friendlier. In other words, the display is bigger and larger. The controls are in the same place but a little more functional, and talks about some oddities about the controls. Again, I'm not going to read this. I captured it and brought it into a PDF reader so that I could enlarge it so you could see it a little better on my recording. It has an auto bandwidth feature that adjusts the bandwidth depending on the signal level. I don't know if that's such a good idea. I don't know if he doesn't mention unnatural. There's a soft muting aids. Don't know if you can actually turn this feature off or not. That'd be interesting. So read the article, see what he says about it. Performance. It's an extensive testing, side-by-side comparison between the ATS-909X2, I'm just going to call it the X2, and the previous version of the ATS-909 and several other competing radios, Texan, the such. Shortwave, he compared against the previous one and several radios from E10 Texan and found the new Sangean to have very good shortwave whip antenna sensitivity. Remember, the original ATS-909X was not as sensitive on the whip antenna. Then he goes, did well with an external antenna, handling strong signals, even at night with no problems. Single sideband performance was also exemplary in terms of its ability to easily obtain precise tuning with the natural recovered audio. And he goes into some details about single sideband tuning. AM, he's very happy with AM. The single sideband mode was also effective on shortwave and AM, although again, I wish for more bandwidth choices. FM was superb. Airband, he now lives near a airport, and so he picked up a lot of frequencies. The hand capacitance noise that other people have shown, where when you touch the radio, wrap your hand around the radio, it causes noise. He said it was still there, but it wasn't that bad, and you know, how many times you're going to wrap your hand around the radio anyway. The AC power supply produces a minimum of switching noise. Conclusion. Now, here's the conclusion. And I'm going to go over the conclusion, but I want you to go to his website, read all the details, and then draw your own conclusion. It says, the most often asked question I receive when a new radio replaces an existing one, should I upgrade to this new model? Yep, that's where I'm at. Many reviewers are happy to answer that for you, but I think I disappoint these people because I usually answer with, it depends. It depends on how happy you are with the older model. It depends on how you use the radio and what you value most in it. And it matters how eager you are to simply have the best, even if improvements are not earth-shattering. And I think that's kind of my conclusion right now. I don't think the improvements are earth-shattering. And since I have the previous model, I'm really on the fence about getting this new model. So check this out. Again, I'll put the link to this article in the first comment below this show. And I want to thank, let me go back up to the top real quick here. I can't do anything quick anymore. This is Radio J. Allen's website. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.